embarrassing, y'all. We just got here and they embarrassing already.
This the first locomotive have to get on the thing.
Oh, we don't? Well, look at that. 136. I hope she knows.
Oh.
I learned. Y'all, I'm finna make my niece do TikToks. We were supposed to do them when she was at the house, but I forget. Well, I ain't forget. It was just a lot of churn and a lot of things going on. Oh, she got a bag the bus saying beep, 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 beep. Oh, beep. Oh, come on. Oh, Lord. She got to learn. She want to drive somebody's car. Get it in there. Jesus. Oh, Lord. That's me. My neck swinging. Somebody show me T. Oh, she finally got it in. There was her driving test on her. Oh, Lord. She done hit her.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Till I dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs.
Go please take these peppermints back.
No, come on, so this what I'm wearing.
Your mama picked the whole bucket up. Which one? You talking about in Jackson? Too big. Nicely. All right. Get that homework done. TV.
Grandma, y'all had no spray.
Nice little drawers down
Y'all had no
here.
spray.
I brought the wrong backpack.
Some Lysol and older bag.
All right, and then the view. Hold on, let's see the view.
My man got no toenails.
Wait, hold up.
For what?
My man got no toenails.
All right, for the view. It's not bad. Not bad. That's my work truck. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. That ain't my work truck.
Dedicated to you win. You're in the mood for empathy, the blood in my pen.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Till I dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, poetic justice.
I'm gonna have to save her because daddy not here. You can't die. She ain't supposed to die.
Dedicated to
You don't do that. She thinks she still know how to do something else.
Long as you got your eyes, got your drippy on them private jets, taking trips, some backseats, wake me in your time, and it won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with, makes me wonder who you think playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end.
I know, right? That's why I got the thing still on. So today, y'all saw this already in the last one.
Got tired of you, see you almost to my mind.
That's alright. See? I'm seeing already. My shorts kind of big, y'all. That's why they up.
I don't think it'll ever change change your way.
That's alright though. Don't let that worry you.
Cause a house,
But the baby's
it's not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Hey, you know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, keep wasting my time.
whatever you want from me, I'm giving you.
Don't you on scene? Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one or two times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay all day. Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I
You must share one round. That's alright though. The Lord got her. The Lord got her. Alright, just. I'm your baby. Alright, y'all.
That went down the wrong.
My sister over here done spit a whole shot at in my face. Dog.
Oh.
Pull, you gotta pull the thing, mama. Help mama at. Y'all, we're leaving the pool. Watch this, y'all. They, wow, mom. Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Alright, y'all, we're leaving the pool. Sis back there. Grandma. Mari right there. Please.
Do you have a comb?
The struggle of being the hairstylist in the family. I don't have nobody's comb. I don't have the first brush or nothing. I don't have nothing on me. And who y'all next stop is, y'all see that net? The next stop is San Miguel. We're going to San Miguel, y'all.
Okay.
We finna do water challenge. Let's go.
Okay,
One,
Nick. I
two,
said two.
3.
Watashi wants. Watashi wants. Stop. Okay, Nick. Oh, say.
Cause you in my way. This the only good one I get. 2 good ones. Look at that, your neck in my way. Look at your head. I don't know what to do. Take your hand out of my way. Golly. I'm just sick of it. You ain't got nothing for her to do. All I'm trying to do is stand back here and give me some good pictures and somebody child in the way.
I am naked in the way.
Camera, come get your child. Only thing I asked for was some pictures.
See, I ain't got no money. I'm gonna
I got me for that though.
Come on, Mikey, you dressed out here.
Sure can. Ain't nothing but girls. Like that what they be saying. Make sure y'all drink y'all water. Back up, bruh.
Get your water.
We will see y'all when the drinks get the flowing and the music get the going. I'm gonna go up there and see you. If you don't eat that. What a burrito with it. You got the burrito. They got the tacos. And I just said they got the old.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and it won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one last time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. I don't think you'll ever change your ways. 'Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out the light. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Don't you on scene? Funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one last time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name.
If there's another universe, please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to losing love, repeating pain, it's all the same. I hate this place, stuck in this paradigm. Don't believe in paradise. This must be when hell is like this. Got to be more, got to be more. Sick of the side of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. Nirvana's not, it's advertised. There's got to be more. Been here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern. Floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. I'll be
the gym, y'all. When I tell you I'm tired, I hope y'all can hear me over this air. When I tell y'all I'm super tired, like, Lord have mercy. But I'm so proud of myself for getting up and coming, because I was gonna come still, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. It was something still in the back of my head saying, don't go, don't go, don't go. You can wait till later. You can wait till later. And y'all know what later means. Later means you ain't going. But we did it, y'all. We did it. Stand me a little bit. Anyway, y'all. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna eat, y'all. I'm hungry. Give me a Is it me or is it like some places you don't want to order rotel from? Like, I don't know, y'all. Rotel somewhere else just don't sound right to me. I might just be weird. I don't know. Cause I think the only place I ever tried rotel from was Mug Shots. Like, if you stay somewhere that ain't like towards the coast or whatever, and you don't have a Mug Shots, then it's like a burger place or whatever. This all it is, another burger spot. But they have like these real nice buns. They like, I think they Hawaiian buns. Yeah, I ain't been to so long, but yeah, I think they Hawaiian buns. But they had like good rotel. What the one that Starkville did. They had good rotel. But I think that's the only place I ever like got rotel from. And I'm pretty sure they ain't make that either. But I guess you can equivalent that the same thing as queso. So never mind. I might have reached a little bit. But y'all, I'll get back with y'all when I figure out what I'm gonna eat. I gotta go and get some soap because we done ran out of soap. Let me try and call my baby. Let's try and call baby. Let's see if she'll answer, y'all. Gonna answer. Let's see. Oh, my arms hurt so bad. Oh, it's still ringing, y'all. Oh, shit. So what I'm supposed to be doing about this rent again? About the rents? Alright. Alright. Ugh, the sun must be beating her down out there. Got her little attitude. I can't wait for her to watch this, cause you don't have no attitude with me. But that's alright though, cause guess what? I'm finna be on them nerves real bad. Tomorrow they last little work day, and then they off for the 4th of July for however long. I got your attitude, boo. I got your attitude. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, y'all. I'll be back.